today I'm super excited to share with you my complete solution on being able to publish profitable content that people love, are looking for, and buy over and over again. Easy AI, popular public figure, public domain, is all about leveraging public domain content. As you may know, public domain content is copyright free, it's free to use, and there's a ton of new content that gets released into the public domain each and every year. We're talking movies, books, music, any type of content. However, like most things, there are a small amount of what I like to call popular public domain figures that are actually driving the majority of the interest of the traffic and of the sales. And with what I'm going to be sharing with you, you can actually leverage the most popular public domain content and figures that already have built-in traffic, built-in recognizability, and combine that with popular trends that people are looking for right now. So you have really an unstoppable juggernaut of traffic and of sales. And I'm talking about putting together any types of content. There's all types of content based on public domain that sells. We're talking about printables, we're talking about low content, we're talking about books, we're talking about educational content, we're talking about multimedia content like video. It's all there that people are looking for, and what I reveal in this complete solution is how you can put together this type of content quickly and easily. And as I said, it already has built-in traffic and built-in recognizability with what people are already looking for. And in this particular solution, you get a thorough guide with a video overview. I also have included 250 prompts that show you how to make these types of products quickly and easily, and a custom GPT that allows you to tap into the most popular types of public domain figures. In addition to that, you also get supplemental materials such as a typography guide showing you the best type of fonts to use for different public domain figures if you're doing that type of content. You also get an implementation roadmap and a seasonal ideas calendar and a copyright rule, because there are some figures where part of what they have is in public domain and part of it isn't. So I tell you about how to avoid any pitfalls as well with copyright. And then you also get a bonus as well in terms of leveraging Canva, which is still one of the fastest and easiest ways to create content that you can sell. So this is a real winner because it's showing you how to avoid getting stuck, it's showing you how to avoid pitfalls, and it's letting you tap into what people are wanting to buy right now. So check it out below and you will be able to get your products up and running quickly and easily.